Hi you guys, what's up? Cameron Mai here. I am actually about to be doing a get ready with me, and I thought I'd go ahead and film this get ready with me. This isn't going to be a chit chat or anything like that. I'm going to be speeding through this get ready with me, or it's going to be a voiceover more than likely. I just wanted to film this video because I haven't did a get ready with me in a minute. Well, I actually did do a get ready with me chit chat. I wanted to do this get ready with me because I am about to go out to my sister's birthday dinner, so I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for that. But also, I found a palette that I think I'm gonna be featuring in my next Shop My Stash video, and I just wanted to show you guys really quick. This is a pretty old palette. It's the Revolution Chocolate Elixir palette. Can you guys believe that I've never used this palette? So my sister just left here. I did her makeup, and I used this palette to do her makeup because I mean it had never been used, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, the quality of this palette was so nice. But also I love the color shade range in this palette, so I was like, oh my gosh, have to do a video in this. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and hit the post notification bell so you can be a part of the gang. That is that. Oh, you know what, you guys? Actually, this can actually be a Boxycharm unboxing. This is my Boxycharm box for March. Wait, April. Yeah. So let's actually go ahead and open this while we're getting ready. And I wanted to do a separate video on this Boxycharm unboxing, or I wanted to do a separate Boxycharm unboxing, but I just never got around to doing it. This is the Boxycharm base box for April. Here is what the card looks like this month. This is kind of going to be quick because I wasn't even expecting to do this. So this was actually my choice item. This is the Beauty Bakery Sour Ya Doin'. This retails for $38. I don't know if you guys know, but Boxycharm is going to be mixing with Ipsy, and I actually haven't even purchased my next Boxycharm box because I just really don't know how I feel about that. Part of me wants to kind of see how the other girls are feeling about that. The other part of me wants to just go ahead and try it. Regardless, I'm not really a big fan of Ipsy. So you guys comment down below, do you guys like Ipsy? I just was never a big fan of Ipsy. I didn't like it was just very lackluster to me. I really love Boxycharm, the brands that they work with, the choice item, and that's another thing. We won't even be able to choose as often. It's just we don't get as many boxes, and I was really looking forward to updating my boxes this year and getting 3 boxes. Now it seems like that might not be a thing anymore. It's still going to say Boxycharm, but basically Ipsy bought it out or something like that. I don't really have that much knowledge on it, but if you guys know anything about it, comment down below and let me know what's going on, because I just don't know how I'm feeling about that. So yes, this is the Beauty Bakery Sour Ya Doin' eyeshadow palette. Let's go ahead and open it up. It's really cute. It has this light pink, it has the light pink background with some lemons on it. Okay, it's actually really beautiful. And here's what the palette looks like. It has a mirror inside of it as well. I don't know if this is exclusive to Boxycharm or not, but I really love this, and maybe we can actually use this in today's video. Oh, the Clean Skin Club Pineapple Glow Mist. So let's find that really quick. Pineapple Glow Mist. Okay, here it is. This retails for $38 as well. Love the packaging. To me, it's giving like Luxe. I love the Luxe simple packaging, the simplicity of it all. Oh, I love glass bottles. First of all, let's just start there. I love glass bottles. It's like an ombre frosted glass bottle, so I love that. It has 100 milliliters, which is 3.4 fluid ounces. Let's actually go ahead and spray some of this. Woo! Okay, don't breathe. while you're spraying it. And I guess I should expect that because pineapple is pretty strong, you guys. So heads up, when you're spraying, just go ahead and hold your breath. Like, you know how normally you can spray a setting spray, and then once you're done spraying and you can just kind of breathe in a little bit? Don't do that here. Instantly, I can tell that this is moisturizing. You guys know hyaluronic acid literally has a distinct feeling. I don't know if you know, but to me, I know hyaluronic acid is in a product because it's kind of tacky on the skin and it's kind of like dewy looking. Boxycharm has really great, and I mean really great, skincare products. It does retail for $38. Okay, so now we have the Christopher, what is this, instant volume mist rose water. This mist makes thin, fine, or flat hair feel thicker. Not gonna lie, I'm probably not gonna be using this for my natural hair, but I'll definitely try to use it with like my wigs and whatnot. This retails for $39. Why not? So it's definitely smelling like rose water. It has a rose water scent for sure. Okay, so I'll let you guys know, you know, how I feel about that. Moving on. Flirtalicious Looks Cosmetics, the perfect dual foundation travel set. So let's go ahead and pull this out. Okay. I wonder what we have in here. So it just have a cute little foundation brush. I don't really use these. I use these for like skincare. And then we also have the sponge here. And actually, I'm so glad I opened this because I literally just used my last sponge on my sister. So this is a blessing here. And it's really, really soft. It's what they mean. If you guys can see, here's what they mean by the sharp edge, little slant right there. So the Lucky Chick liquid eyeshadow, it looks like it comes in like a lipstick tube, and here's what it looks like. Let's just go ahead and do a quick little swatchy. Okay, I don't know if you guys can tell, but here's what the applicator looks like. It's like a flat type applicator. I don't know. I don't like that. It's not a cute color. I would give this box definitely a 8 out of 10.
Okay, you guys, so jumping into this video, I'm just going to take some clips that I like to leave on my vanity and clip my hair back. So for this look, I just kind of wanted to do something simple and natural. I'm taking Beauty Bakery's The Butter Hydra Primer Stick, and I'm going to use this to prime my face. I really like to use this primer along with a dewy primer. I think it works really well with the dewy primer. I don't know. I love to use matte and dewy primers together. And I'm also going to be taking one of my all-time faves right now because of Jackie Aina. It's the NYX Plump Right Back primer. You guys, I love what this stuff makes my makeup look like. So far, I like it on majority of the foundations that I use. I just don't really care for it with other dewy foundations. So I also like to take a matte and dewy foundation during the summertime. I'm taking the Fenty Beauty and the LYS. I had these in my Shop My Stash video. You guys check out my recent Shop My Stash video. This video was actually filmed like earlier in the year, like in May. My sister had a birthday and graduated, so I am actually on my way to her birthday dinner. And I actually love this brush. I got this brush from Morphe. Well, I got it from Ulta, and this brush came out with one of the Morphe foundations that were newly launched sometime last year. This is actually one of my favorite go-to foundation brushes. And I'm also going to just take the sponge that we just got from our Boxycharm and just make sure all of my foundation is really evenly blended out on my face. And I'm also just going to take the LYS concealers here. I forget which colors, but I have one that's a little bit more of my natural highlight, and then I have another one that's a little bit of a lighter highlight. And I'm adding those, and I'm also just going to go ahead and carve out my brows. And also with the foundation, I like to use a dewy and a matte foundation. And the Fenty and LYS really pairs really well together. They both kind of look really similar in color. However, the Fenty foundation is just a little bit more warmer, whereas the LYS is like a little bit more of a neutral yellower tone. So regardless, I like to use those two together. I know I mentioned that I don't like using dewy primers with dewy foundations, and literally that's only alone. I can use a dewy primer if I'm using like a matte and dewy foundation. So yeah, this just have been my favorite little pair, my favorite little combination. Also, I haven't even been able to get into just using dewy foundations in the summertime. Big mistake. Don't do that, you guys. Typically go for dewy in the winter time. And for contour, I'm taking the Maybelline Superstay Active Wear Concealer. I love this concealer. It's such a beautiful natural warmth to it. I'm taking this and I'm using this to contour my face. And if you guys want to check out my review on the Maybelline Superstay, you should definitely check that out. I'll leave a link to that in the description box, and I'll also try to leave a card somewhere in this video. But I'm just going to take the sponge that we got from the Boxycharm box and blend out all of my concealers and get everything blended seamlessly, nicely, and evenly applied on my face. But as far as the sponge, I love this sponge. I think it is very soft. It's actually one of my everyday sponges since I've gotten it in my Boxycharm box, because you guys, today is like July the 7th. No, it's July the 8th. But yeah, so I recorded this video, like I mentioned earlier, in May. And after I blend everything out, I'm going to set under my eyes with the Revolution Banana Chocolate Powder, under eye setting powder. I really love this setting powder. I really actually like Revolution products. They have some very inexpensive, nice products, but you know, the formula is definitely something to kind of pay attention to. With that being said, I just love the way that this powder looks on my face, how it just gives that very vibrant yellowy look. It really sets everything nice and well. And also, I never really have issues throughout the day when I set with this under my eyes, but I am typically pretty oily in my T-zone area. But regardless, I never really have too many issues with this powder. And so I think that's really good for it to be drugstore or very budget friendly. So we're going in with the Chocolate Elixir palette, you guys. And I am taking the shade Latte, and that is like a skin tone color. I'm taking Latte and I'm just applying that in my crease. For the most part, I really like this palette because it has everyday natural neutral shades, eyeshadows in there. And I typically would reach for these colors every day. I actually can't believe I haven't used this palette. I've had this palette since maybe I first got back on YouTube just to kind of build my collection, and I just never touched this palette. So I definitely have to add this in my Shop My Stash video. But I also went in the palette again and picked up that darker color called Red Velvet. Sorry you guys if you hear that in the background. I'm actually looking at the palette right now because I want to make sure I get the correct color for you. So I used that Red Velvet and added that in my crease as well. And we're taking that Beauty Bakery palette that we got from our Boxycharm box today, and I'm going in with Chalk Tales. I think that's a really cute name. That's like a very neutral, natural eyeshadow that we can just use and apply on our crease. And I also took Icy. That is that very shimmery color inside of there. So since I've gotten the Sour You Doing, I actually added it in my recent Boxycharm video. So you guys check out that video. Oh, I'm sorry, not Boxycharm video, but my recent Shop My Stash video. So I have been using the Sour You Doing palette because I added that in my Shop My Stash video. I'll also link that in the description box and carded somewhere in this video. So yeah, I've kind of taken a break on YouTube, but I'm trying to come out and pump some videos. So I'm taking the LYS bronzer, and this is in the shade Tan, which is Courage, and I'm just taking this along the sides of my cheekbones, forehead, and under my jaw. You guys know the whole gist on how to contour and stuff. And I'm also taking my Marina Boutia blush palette and add a little bit more contour. I forget the name of these shades, you guys, but I'll list the names below if you're interested, or if I forget, just ask me in the comment section, or you guys can check out my video because I definitely did a review on the Marina Boutia palette that I'm using. Okay, you guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. You guys are going to see me slap on 3 setting sprays. I slapped a matte one on, I slapped a hydrating one on, and I also slapped on a one that is for like radiance. So yep, that's pretty much it. I'm just going to take the hot comb to my wig and get it a little bit more straight. You guys comment down below and let me know other videos that you want to see on my channel. I will be doing more home decor videos. I'll be doing more get ready videos, but including the entire look. I just haven't had my entire setup ready. So until then, I'm just trying to get you guys active in the comment section and posting and letting me know what you guys want to see. So thank you guys. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Hit the post notification bell so you guys can be a part of the game. And as you guys can tell, I'm gonna just line my lip with a dark lipstick, matte lipstick. That's actually the L'Oreal Infallible Lip Wear. And then I'm also going to take the Fenty lipstick and apply this. This is actually one of my favorite combinations.